Hi guys, welcome to Sell Your Market with Probaba, and here we have Odunayo Adeneye. Welcome, sir.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, you're welcome. And you already know what Sell Your Market is all about, where professionals come to tell us how successful we can be and the steps we can take to be successful. So, Odunayo will be treating some topics around what you do. Like, we know that you are an expert in what you do. So, can you tell the people what you're about?
Okay, so hello everyone. My name is like Probaba, as I said earlier on. My name is Odunayo Adeneye. I'm a budding real estate investor and developer. I help young Africans, democratize the wealth creation process.
Wow.
And most importantly, I help you get the best of deals in the real estate market within this region.
That's amazing. That's amazing. I think it's been a while I had such.
Wow. Well. Very true. Yeah, we have all that sorts and various form of
Yeah,
investment
yeah.
and all that. But for me, I'm really focused on real estate investment as it's where right now.
Okay, good. From the first question, how do you think young people can create wealth?
Okay, so for me, first and foremost, wealth creation is a very easy, process or journey.
Okay.
But you need to have a mental shift. You need to be able to change your mindset about, money.
Oh,
First and foremost, young people need to be able to change their mindset about, that word money. What most people that we have today, I want blue, I want hammer, I want do, I want, and, they want to drive the Benz and all of that. In
yeah.
as much as all of those wishes and what have you are good, but there's a process to it.
Yeah.
For me and my team, we believe that there are three M's to money.
Okay.
Yeah. First and foremost, you make money, you manage money, and then you multiply.
Wow.
For all of these, there are different phases.
That's fantastic. You make money,
Yeah.
you manage, and you multiply.
So those are the
Wow.
three M's of money. And they all have their different and unique processes. First, which is the making money. Anybody can make money. So if I tell you, Probaba, I want to sell this thing to you.
Okay.
Oh, I mean, this is my property. I want to sell it to you.
Okay.
You exchange it, value exchange,
Yeah,
right?
it's a value
So you
exchange.
give me money, I give you
give you.
this property,
Okay.
and then I have some money with me and all of this stuff. So anybody and everybody can make money. The malam down the road is carrying you, helping you to do stuff and all of those stuff. You give him some wages. He also makes money.
Okay.
But that is the first step or the first stage of making money.
Okay.
The second is managing that fund.
I think that's another factor. A lot of
Managing
people.
that fund. Now, most people have been able to, read this book, read that, go for this seminar, and all of the stuff, and they tell you to create a budget, have a savings account
That's
and all
true.
of that,
That's
which
true.
is not bad in its own. Trust me, it is not really bad. You're really growing in that, wealth creation journey.
That's
But it's
true.
not enough.
That's true.
But it's not enough to just, get the money, budget it after budgeting, save and all of those stuff. Even the savings, they are still deducting. You know what I'm talking
That's
about?
true. Bills and the rest.
Exactly. They are still
Yeah.
deducting from even what you call your savings and all of those
That's
stuff.
true.
Which the last phase is multiplication. Multiplication is where the wealth creation journey really starts from.
Oh,
How do you ensure that your money is working for you? You won't have that strength for your lifetime. You won't have that energy for your lifetime. How do you ensure that your money is working for you even while you are sleeping?
That's to say you can program your money to work for you.
Very well.
Wow.
Very well.
Fantastic.
That is where investment then comes into place.
Yeah.
So what are the right investment vehicle I can plug my money into and that can yield greater or better result at the end of a certain duration of period? That is where I come in. That is my mission to help young people democratize that wealth creation journey. You don't need to be 50. You don't need to be, getting to that whole age before you start thinking wealth creation, before you start thinking transgenerational wealth.
Because a lot of people get it wrong these days. This minute you see this person has a lot of money, the next minute he doesn't have anymore.
I'm telling you. And now it's not because somebody or your village people or something are doing it. It's just because you don't understand how to multiply that wealth. What are the financial or investment vehicle you can plug those wealth into? That is what I do as a person, to say, I advise you based on your investment goal, based on your money goal, to say, okay, you have this capital with you right now. I think if you plug it into this asset, into this program, you can be able to replicate or multiply it over a period of time.
Wow, that's great. I've learned to now.
Thank you.
Okay, we move to the next question. When it comes to investment, what's the best form of investment you advise?
Okay, so trust me, I think maybe another episode or something on Probaba first. I will share my investment journey personally.
Okay.
But so far so good. especially in this climate we are. One of the best and surest form of investment I would advise is a real estate investment. Trust me, you can never go wrong with a right real estate investment.
Okay.
Once you are with the right person and you're with the right, real estate investment advisor, you can never go wrong.
So one can naturally go to a wrong real estate
Oh
advisor.
yes, oh yes. So I've seen a lot of people that tell me, "Oh, I've invested in this place. They scammed me. They took my
Oh,
money. The
oh,
place was not good. Somebody came for acquisition later on, and all of those stuff." So
mm,
there's a lot of error. In as much
okay,
as real estate investment is the best and all of those stuff. If you don't go with the right, realtor or the right real estate investment firm, you might really get it wrong.
okay, okay. That's great. I'm learning,
Thank you, thank
honestly.
you,
I think real estate is something I vision to embark into in the nearest future, because I think I see a lot of opportunities there.
thank you,
Yeah, and most
thank
of
you.
my friends are making it big in.
Thank you. So let me give you an insight. Where we are sitting right now
Yeah,
is an apartment, either commercial or residential. That is not the point. It's an apartment. It's a shelter. When you look at the Maslow hierarchy of need, one of the major hierarchy of need after food for man, one of the major hierarchy of need after food for man is shelter.
shelter.
You need
Yeah, you can't
something
go
over
wrong
your
with
head.
shelter.
So you can't go wrong with real estate.
Yeah,
Trust me, you can't go
that's
wrong with
true.
real estate. One. Two, you also said something that you are waiting in the nearest future before you can start investing.
Yeah.
That's your 500,000. That's your 1 million naira.
Okay, we
Bro,
can start off.
bro,
Oh,
that's your two
that's
million
actually
naira. You want to go
a
and borrow, you want to go and
motivation.
do me? No, 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 no. You can stagger your payment. You can say, okay, this is the amount I have right now,
Okay,
and I'm willing to start this journey. It's about you committing to
that's a
even start that real
motivation.
estate journey. So once you commit to start the real estate journey,
Mm.
trust me, before you know it, you're already done one property,
Wow,
two properties,
wow,
and you keep amassing and acquiring based on your investment goals.
wow. I like that. I like that. All right, Odunayo, how do we reach out to you if we
Oh,
want to?
okay, so Odunayo Adeneye on all of my social media platforms.
Okay.
Just type Odunayo Adeneye on all of my social media platforms. But most importantly, you can DM me on Instagram at Odunayo Adeneye. I'll be very responsive on Instagram. My WhatsApp number I would share with Probaba FS here, so that I can also give you. I promise to give you free consultation and advisory services regarding real
Wow,
estate.
wow. This is what they pay for. People pay for this, but
I'm telling
he's
you,
willing to give it
exactly,
out to you
because
for
of my
free.
friend and colleague.
I
Yeah,
appreciate that.
yeah.
So if
Thank
you
you.
stick to this platform, you will get more of this from other
Very,
niches.
very
He's
well.
giving out free consultation for free. So guys, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Hop on it and let's milk
I
it.
mean, let's talk, let's discuss.
All
See me
right.
in my DM.
It's nice having you, Dayo, and
Thank you.
we hope to have you more again
Thank you.
here.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Probaba FX shop.